Hi, my name is Valerie Jessup, and I chose Picadinho from Brazil. Picadinho is translated from Portuguese as chopped beef plate. I did my research on the food culture, and I was fascinated in Brazil. They have food festivals for locals and visitors to foster a family community as well as show pride in their food. Picadinho is typically cooked churrasco style, which is cooking the meat over an open charcoal flame. As seen in the video, that is what we did to incorporate the culture of Brazil. Picadinho is a common meal that is shared around the country of Brazil, but it originated in southern Brazil. They have a cowboy culture that they are very proud of that is embodied in how they cook their meat. Picadinho is commonly shared with family and friends. This meal is unique because it embodies the cattle ranching that is key for their local economy. I had to make a revision on what type of pepper I used because I was cooking for my family, which I have a young child. So I chose a poblano pepper, which is a milder pepper. I also wanted to embody the Brazilian culture, so I cooked the steak on the grill over the charcoal flame. This revision was also made to lower the saturated fat content of the meal instead of cooking it in bacon fat. I also stayed true to the Brazilian culture and put this on top of a bed of rice and topped it with an egg. I found these revisions made the meal more well balanced according to my plate. Here you can see I made another revision. Instead of cooking all of the vegetables in bacon fat, I chose avocado oil. Here we have an onion and poblano pepper. Once the onion and peppers were sauteed, I added in pre-cooked bacon and tomatoes in a can, so that way everything can be incorporated and cooked all the way through. Once I let the steak rest, I chopped it up into cubes and I added it to the pan with the tomatoes. Another thing about Brazilian culture is the food etiquette. If you're invited over for a dinner party, it is customary for you to arrive actually an hour later than the invitation starts. I used butter to fry my egg over easy, so that way when I put it over top of the picadinho, it would add a nice saucy type of texture from the yolk of the egg. Overall, I really enjoyed doing this project and it was absolutely delicious. Thank you.